Hey train fans, Roy here. Just doing a little new arrivals mail call like video. This is all stuff I received over the last few months since I've never done one of these before. First off, I got a bunch of stickers and t-shirts from all you guys. I didn't get my Tom's Trains and Things sticker yet, so I have a t-shirt in for him. And then I have t-shirts for all these other stickers, and I have more stickers on the way. They just take forever to get here sometimes, and I wanted to do a video. So anyway, let's get started with other recent arrivals. So I got the Super Starter Kit Uno R3 project from Elegoo. This is my prize from Tom's Trains and Things 20K subscriber giveaway. I won't really go into detail on this because Tom already on stream and stuff has shown all the contents, and he's going to be doing tutorial videos on this kit, videos and streams, and I plan to watch and follow along as best as I can. And you can see all my lights reflecting in this, but super shiny surface. So anyway, that's the first thing. Another relatively recent addition is I got this new to me anyway. It's a NASA train edition. This is non-prototypical, but I really dig it. It's the Saturn V rocket in 3 stages, and it's got some flat cars to carry it. And in the future I'll do a video, I'll put this all together. It's got some bits that I have to glue and maybe paint. But I'll do a little show and tell of this as well. Related to that, I also got this NASA/SpaceX Helium Car. These were originally all used in Florida, I believe, but several of them have been reassigned or leased to SpaceX in California for doing launches here from Vandenberg and whatnot. So it's kind of cool. It's got the NASA and SpaceX logo update on it. And this is actually prototypical if I had the appropriate other cars to go along with it. But you know, some things are hard to get. Let's see. I also got these two. I think they're 86-foot auto parts boxcars. I got this one, which is Santa Fe, and then I've got this one, which is Cotton Belt / Southern Pacific. And as Jason Train Freak showed recently, he's got the HO version of this car, except his is it says, you know, Southern Pacific, and he mentioned that they also came like this, where it says Cotton Belt, but then still has the big SP on it. And I got these to go with my auto racks because Jason mentioned that those are typically pulled together to hold the auto parts along with the cars. And then the last big thing I got, well, it's really kind of two, but the N-Scale enthusiasts just released these Heritage coal car sets. They're made by Atlas, and then they have the paint set on them, the Heritage painting liveries, I guess, of a bunch of the former UP road names and whatnot. So we got, you know, Western Pacific, Northwestern, Southern Pacific, Rio Grande, the Katy, and Route of the Eagles. I'm not sure which one that is. But anyway, I got this set, which I thought was really cool. It's not really prototypical for the area I'm modeling, but I just think the old paint styles and whatnot look really cool. And since I'll be having a lot of UP on my line, I can just pretend or something, whatever. It doesn't have to be prototypical. And then they also came out with, because I'm also a BNSF fan, they came out with some BNSF painted versions. Got the newer style swoosh thing, and then the older heritage style yellow BNSF logos. So I don't care either way. I like both UP and BNSF, but you know, that's because the areas I'm going to be modeling in the future have both of those along with the local line that I run. Anyway, that's all I got for recent additions this time around. Hopefully you all enjoyed that, and like I said, in the future I'll do another video with the 3-stage rocket one, and I'll do another one showing the coil cars, the heritage coil cars, all out on a track or something. But about that, as you can see, I've got blue foam down here on the this is the end of my layout. I've just got these setting in place. I had to buy little 2-foot by 2-foot sections because I can't get the full sheets here, and to get them delivered is either really ridiculous prices or they just won't do it unless you order a truckload. So I just had to buy these smaller ones off of Amazon, pay a little bit more money, but it was cheaper than the shipping that they wanted for full-size sheets. And I've got some other updates on the workbench that I've been doing, but hopefully this week coming up I will get started on setting up some track again and be able to do more videos showing my trains running and some of the challenges that I haven't done yet. Anyway, thanks for watching.